The state of Texas filed a lawsuit against Darling Ingredients, accusing the company of illegally emitting odors and air contaminants from its rendering facility near Austin, Texas. The complaint noted that the smells can be detected up to 10 miles away, with some described as resembling boiling blood and death. Founded in 1882 and based in Irving, Texas, Darling Ingredients converts materials from animal agriculture and food industries into ingredients for animal and human consumption, crop fertilization, and aviation fuel. The company operates over 260 facilities across more than 15 countries. The facility targeted in the lawsuit processes used cooking grease and chicken byproducts like meat, fat, bone, and feathers. The site consists of 2 buildings, a processing plant, and a feather plant. According to the suit, the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality has received nearly 1,440 complaints regarding Darling Ingredients' facility since May 2024, with hundreds coming in the last 3 months. Reported health effects include nausea, headaches, vomiting, and burning throats and eyes. One resident described the smell as, quote, festering dog vomit on fire, and indicated that they would rather smell burning tires. TCEQ conducted multiple investigations at the site since July 2024, documenting several alleged violations of its rules. For example, in October 2025, investigators detected hydrogen sulfide levels at an average of 197.8 parts per billion, exceeding the regulatory limit of 80 parts per billion. Other alleged violations include not maintaining the required Venturi scrubber liquid flow rate and failing to properly control pH values in its alkaline and acid scrubber recycle tanks. Additionally, the lawsuit claims Darling Ingredients failed to log the arrival and processing times of materials nearly 1,000 times. Investigators also noted equipment failures and a malfunctioning lagoon. In July 2025, Darling Ingredients entered an agreed order with TCEQ, which required it to implement measures to minimize odors and contain the hydrogen sulfide concentrations. However, TCEQ said the company did not comply. The state of Texas will seek monetary damages ranging from $250,000 to over $1 million. Darling Ingredients told IEN that it will respond to the lawsuit through the appropriate legal channels. The company added, quote, we are committed to being a good neighbor and protecting the health and safety of our employees and the communities where we operate. I'm Nolan Beilstein, this is Manufacturing Now.